Welcome to the Green Ring, and thanks for watching. This video is first in a series of intermission features between Die Walküre and Siegfried, during the channel's note-by-note analysis of Wagner's Der Ring des Nibelungen from first page to last. Please do leave a like and or add comment, even subscribe to the channel, any of these being so vital to the YouTube algorithm which keeps this one-of-a-kind enterprise afloat. The Green Ring introduces many syntactic innovations crowded among those traditional analysis has identified as leitmotifs or motifs. This commentary prefers to take Wagner at his word, who thought of his music's functionality as parallel to that of spoken and written language. Through the large web of themes which dominate all four works, a language has been created of which the world as yet knows nothing. Rather than confuse the issue by adopting in place of musical terms linguistic ones, such as noun, verb, preposition, prefix, suffix, the Green Ring refers to the longest of the tetralogy's syntactic elements as morphemes, shorter constituents, modules, the shortest, cells. Since no previous analysis has recognized these elements, and as they play so prominent a role in this exhaustive analysis, special attention is devoted to them at this midpoint, giving those who follow the arguments it presents a clearer grasp both as they move forward and when revisiting prior chapters. We begin with what the Green Ring refers to as world ash intervals, thanks to their prominence in the Götterdämmerung prelude scene 1, as the Norns describe Wotan's approach to the world ash tree from which he cuts his spear. I call the long-short-long rhythmic pulse one of the ring's three elemental building blocks, part of its syntactic DNA. Its distinctive rhythm pervades the third Norn's narrative of Wotan's Urkrime with a group of uniquely distinct and closely related syntactic modules that repeat throughout the tetralogy to imply the world ash's power as it throbs in the epic's characters and events. All of this module's permutations imply the world ash's fount of natural energy as it spreads through all the epic's characters and events, despite so much of it has been temporarily enslaved in Valhalla to be manipulated by Wotan. In Valhalla Part 4, Cook's eponymous Valhalla cadence, it takes its most primal shape, indicative of the mighty tree's purest energy, an upward-leaping octave with its initial long pulse on its lower pitch, the following short long pulses on its upper. Its Götterdämmerung appearance leaves no doubt the great tree is that power's ultimate and most pristine source. Even without rhythmic pulses throughout the work, rising octaves signify the tree's positive natural energy, while falling octaves connote